Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this session we are going to discuss about Terraform Locals. So let's look into the agenda. What are the topics we are going to cover in this session? So guys, in this session as usual we are starting with the demo, and with the help of demo we will understand the use case of Terraform Local. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand this concept. So guys, I am using the same example which we have done previously. And in this case, we are going to introduce new requirement where we want both the resources should be tagged with these details, so that these resources should be identified which project it belongs to and the details about the project. So how do you achieve this? So we will achieve through two ways. The first way is the normal way where we will specify all the values, these key pair values, two times. For example, if I want to mention tag over here, so I should mention over here something like that with tags, and over here we should specify the project UID equal to 1 2 3 4 whatever, and then we have to specify another key pair value like project name. We should specify some XYZ, and then for the project team we can tell that DevOps team. So this way we can specify that and copy paste the number of times how many resources we are having. There is no problem with that, but the thing is that again we are breaking the dry principle. That means we are repeating the same code every time. If our TF file is small, there is no issue with that, but when we are writing the file for the production environment, the size is going to be very large. So in that scenario, it is very difficult to read the file if we are having the repetition of the code. So how we will avoid the repetition of code? With the help of local. So how we will create locals? To create locals, we are going to use a keyword called locals, and then we need to specify the common information. For this case, I am going to specify over here C tags, that is common tags, and over here we need to specify the same detail which we are specifying over here. So let's cut it and let's put it over here, and then we will specify over here locals dot C tags. Now repeat the same thing for this. Let's delete it, and over here I will tell locals dot C tags. Save it. One mistake we are doing over here, make sure that it should be local. The keyword should be local, so it should be local over here. For this case, it should be locals, and when we are referring it, it should be called as local. Now let's run it. So how we will run it? As usual, we are going to use the terminal, and first we will initialize it. So we will write Terraform init, and then we will run the Terraform plan to check the configuration. So it is initializing. Now next we need to specify the Terraform plan into. So guys, it has given us the plan, and it is going to create one resource as usual. And when you look into this, then you will find that here it is applying all the tags which is related to the resources. And how we are creating? We are creating through the locals. This is called Terraform Locals, and this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. I hope you understand the significance of Terraform Local. Terraform Local used to avoid the common repetition within the code block within the Terraform. So now let's conclude the session. So guys, in this session we have understand with the demo what is Terraform Local, why to use Terraform Local, and how to use Terraform Local. And we have covered all the use case scenario of Terraform Local. It should be Terraform Locals. So I hope you enjoyed the session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care.